This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable nightlight in Windows 11. Windows 11 has a feature built into it that's supposed to reduce eye strain and reduce the amount of blue light emitting from your screen. Let me jump over to my desktop here. To enable the nightlight on Windows 11, you want to right-click on your desktop. Then you'll go down to where it says Display Settings and click on that. The very first thing here, nightlight, uses warmer colors to help block blue light. You just toggle this on here. And that is how you enable nightlight on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.